Hey everybody, Chef Britt here with atbbq.comm, and today we're making a ring-a-ding-ding. So a ring-a-ding-ding is just a fancy name for a cocktail that I invented. It features homemade nocino as well as a smoky turbinado simple syrup. Let's check out some of these ingredients. So in this cocktail we have quite a few different cordials. We've got a little bit of this maraschino cherry cordial. We're also going to feature a white whiskey. We're not going to use this Amaro today, but it is a great substitute for this homemade nocino that I've made. Now nocino is just a walnut liqueur, and I was lucky enough to have access to black walnuts and was able to start making this in the beginning of summer, and has now aged long enough to where it's ready for a cocktail. We're also going to feature some cold brew coffee, as well as this Noble Saltworks smoked maple turbinado sugar. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is make our smoked turbinado simple syrup. It's just a simple 1-to-1 ratio. So I'm just going to fill this up with the hottest water that I can get out of my faucet here. And we'll add it right on in. Now we're going to get those bartender moves going. We're just going to shake this until it's totally dissolved. So once the sugar is all dissolved, I'm just going to transfer it into a squeeze bottle and move it into the fridge to cool down. All right, so today we're building these cocktails in these really great Nick and Nora glasses from Riedel. I'm going to go ahead and just add a little splash of this simple syrup, and we're just going to do a wash, which means we're going to swirl it around in the glass and then dump it out. So we're washing this because we just want to get a hint of a nice smoky flavor, as well as just a hint of sweetness, because a lot of these cordials are going to have a lot of their own sweetness, and we don't want to overpower our palate. So the next part is as easy as mixing it all together. We've got some ice here, and I'm going to add 1 ounce of cold brew. We've got 1 ounce of this nocino. And just a reminder, it's homemade walnut liqueur. You could substitute an Amaro, which is a coffee liqueur, or you could also substitute maybe a Frangelico if you prefer something nutty. And we're going to do 1 ounce of white whiskey and about 1/4 ounce of this maraschino liqueur, just a splash. We'll just give it a nice stir. And then we'll strain it into our Nick and Nora glasses. And then we're going to garnish with a lemon peel. This is a really great cocktail for whenever you've eaten a big meal, perfect for the holidays, just a little pick-me-up. Cheers. It's got a nice smoky, little bit nutty, and slightly bitter, so it's really nice to kind of just cut through all of that heavy holiday food. So all of the tools used today, including the Nick and Nora glasses and the bar set, are available at atbbq.comm. We love making these cocktails, so we'd like to hear more from you. Head on over to the comments and let us know if you have any suggestions. For more recipes, head on over to atbbq.comm/thesauce, and we'll see you soon.